Yeah, put everything into, this one is the tamarind sauce, it's just like reduced. So we're gonna wait until it's thicker. And now we're gonna have 2 tablespoons of, in your blender to grind this together. 2 tablespoons of onion, white onion, 2 tablespoons of coriander root, yeah, 2 tablespoons of shallot, or red onion, small red onion, 2 tablespoons of garlic, and 1/4 cup of the rehydrated dry serrano chili. Okay, and then we're gonna get 3 tablespoons of this sauce. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're gonna blend that together. And so like everything blend. And a smooth paste. Now you can see you have to reduce the tamarind sauce until you get, sorry with this. No. Now we're gonna add maybe about 100 degrees, yes, centigrade Celsius. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil. Can be canola, can be sunflower, 1.5. Yeah, just a little bit of a half. And coat the pan. Alright. And now when it's sizzling, we're gonna add this sauce. So this NamJim or Thai sweet chili dipping sauce is actually can accommodate almost like 4 to 6 portions. So you're gonna pour, yeah, cook them a little bit until it's ready. Then we can pour the whole tamarind sauce. And we're gonna cook this, reduce it, well incorporate, and cook at 140, and let it reduce. For at least 5 minutes.